I will show you 10 applications and indicators which I use every single day for trading. Before I even start trading, first I need to check macroeconomic calendar and see if there are any high impact news that can affect markets. So most of the time I use Forex Factory or econoday.com. You can find all the information you need about the news, and on Forex Factory you can see the red ones are high impact. Next one is MetaTrader 4. I use MetaTrader 4 for years. I know it's old platform, but it's working very well, and I got a lot of indicators that I use on MT4. It's quite a good platform for live account, and it's pretty easy to execute the trades. Another platform which I use is TradingView. TradingView, it's similar to MT4, but it's more advanced. I have more tools over here, so it's easier for me to make any analysis. Also, I got some indicators, but most of them I got on MT4. On this platform, I do not execute any trades. I just do analyze. Another platform is my founding account platform. So much trade with TradingView. I've got all the tools from TradingView, so I got everything what I need. I can do deep analysis over here as well. And on this platform, I got founded account. So I execute trades, I do some analysis. It's working very well. And also you can download app on the phone and you can watch your trades. When it comes to calculate position sizes, sometimes it's not easy. If you are new, you might have problem with that. So if you go to website fxverify.com, you will find a tool like lot size calculator. All you need to do is to put your currency or asset over here, account balance, what kind of stop loss, is it gonna be 80 pips, 50 pips, how much you want to risk per trade, let's say 1%, and if you click calculate, it will give you lot size. So if you use this lot size and this stop loss, you will risk $2,500 if you got account of 250,000. So it's very helpful. You can calculate your risk very quick. Okay, let's go to MetaTrader 4. Another tool is ALLin panel. This panel right here. It's very nice because I can calculate position sizes here as well. I can set pending orders, or I can open position by the market and it will set stop loss and take profit straight away. Also, I use strategy ASAP and it helped me find the targets. Targets, previous day, previous week, previous month, highs and lows, some clusters that can block my trade. Also, I can check where is the imbalance, I can check the swings, and there is Pharaoh mode when you can open few positions, which helps you maximize your profits. Okay, next very important tool is this one here, drag volume. It's showing me point of control. I got daily point of control. I can move to 5 minutes time frame to check point of controls from each hour. Also, if I go to H4, 4-hour time frame, I can check weekly point of controls. And also, if I go to daily time frame, I can check monthly. I use it for trading every single day. It helps me to find the right spot to open the trade, together with smart money concept and other stuff which I use as well. But this is one of indicators I use every single day. Another one is advanced trading sessions. If you're trading from lower time frame and you are looking for liquidity from each session, it also might help you to spot the right place for your trade. You can change these boxes, of course. You got Asian session, European session. I know European session finished later, but this kind of box for me, it works perfectly. And American session. Together with the strategy, trust me, it's very simple but powerful. And the last tool which I use for my trading is Volume Edge. It shows me volume levels. I'm not gonna explain it now where they come from, but I will show you how they work. Of course, not all the time, but together with the strategy, it's very powerful. Look at the reactions. We got volume level, very nice reaction on volume level. Another volume level, very nice reaction. Volume level, reaction. Volume level, reaction. Not every time, but most of the time, if you're gonna add some other things like point of control, another indicator, it helps to make the right decision. Sometimes if I go to TradingView, I've got those tools on TradingView as well. So like session volume profile together with fixed range volume profile, AI volume level, Oh, I didn't mention. I said I'm gonna show you 10 indicators and applications, but I forgot about one. Look at this one, AI volume. We got it on MT4 or TradingView. These levels are very nice. If you can see those zones, it's helping me to make the right decision, which way the market is heading to. I've got some informations from AI telling me which way the market will go, and of course, together with other strategies, trust me, it's a game changer. And that's it. I usually don't use any other indicators or applications. If you want to get more tips about trading, follow this profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe.